all the ingredients.
好香啊！
Right.
Trong chia sẻ chân sẻ nhiều anh đông.
Right, so this is how we prepare the ginger and spring onion dip.
Anh đông.
So she's been washed and now she's splitting.
Nhưng mà là chịu sẽ cút rồi. À xe làm đi cái là cái nào.
Yeah. They've been washed.
Chặt ít thiểu. Chặt ít thiểu. Thiểu. Chặt ít thiểu. Thiểu. Chặt cái. Thiểu mồi. Thiểu mồi. Pop out thiểu kì.
Okay. Crushing the spring onion to release the juices.
Pop out. Pop out kì câu dầu mùi mà.
Yep.
Chút chặt dầu kìa.
Okay. Thì trước đây chúng mình dùng tàu mà.
Dùng tàu mà chứ.
Yeah, trước đây.
Tàu mà câu dùng như chặt mà.
Okay.
Một條tàu.
Yeah.
Bữa tàu chỉ câu làm chặt à.
Okay. So, Mum said, I just asked her why she uses a big old meat cleaver to do this. And she says, she says it's easier. It's easier for her. Yeah, and she's been using one of these all her life, I guess. But you see how versatile it was when she smashed it, and obviously got a big surface area to do that. And then for the delicate cutting, you'd think you might need a small knife, but no, she loves this. And it makes it easier for her. She also says you can use a smaller knife if you want to. Obviously not too small, you don't want a paring knife, you want to use some sort of chef knife. But the meat cleaver basically covers all. I have a range of knives at home, but to be honest, if I really thought about it, a meat cleaver would probably do me just fine. Okay, there we go. Now it's time for the ginger. So the first thing you do is smash it. And so applies.
以後要唔數放多嘅，不過係咁多得咋。Yeah.
Mum says you don't have to use this amount, you can use small amount, but Mum likes to make it in bulk. And then look, she's chopping it all together to make sure it gets all mingled in and all the flavours start from here to start to mix nicely.
Okay.
So it's definitely, Mum says it's definitely worth chopping it really, really fine. The finer you chop it, the more flavours get released, which is logical if you think about it. So it's worth spending the time doing this bit. It's really, really simple, but this is such a tasty thing to dip the chicken in. It's traditional. And there's a reason for it, it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's one of those flavours where it's not totally overpowering, it complements the chicken, because chicken on its own tastes like chicken, right? So this gives it a lovely kind of warmth from the spring onion and the garlic, oh my god. It's just a classic combination, you can't really add anything to that. It just is.
Yeah, and then I follow by here.
And then put it into these little little ramekin dishes.
做200
Anything will do. Anything the right size will do. So
I
we've
can
got enough to make 2 pots here,
yeah
which is enough for any family banquet, I think.
I can 就放梅呀
Okay, now we're going to add some more flavourings to it.
yeah
Over here. Right, so for flavourings, pepper.
yeah
Just
特別
ground
做人
pepper.
多
Hammer.
少少啲做人多嘅
Okay, ground black pepper.
Okay.
That. I think we actually want to go for quite a fine pepper here, not so much kind of grinding the peppercorns, because
麻料
because you want that flavour to infuse, so you don't want chunks of
1
peppercorns.
spoon
Okay, and then in each one,
yeah
I'm moving far too fast for me. 1 teaspoon of
Yeah.
sesame oil
okay
in each ramekin pot. Okay, so that adds the sesame flavour.
1 spoon seal okay
1 spoon of light soy sauce in each one.
yeah
Give it a bit of a stir.
攪勻嘅
Yeah, make
From
sure it's
yam
all well mixed and some salt. Good dog.
放多啲鹽包
Good dog.
將我醬咪識咋
Okay. So what's going in
Ah,
here?
get it right now.
About, I'd say. Oh, she's putting more. She's putting more.
1 spoon 啊
1 spoon,
yeah,
nearly
yeah,
1
yeah.
teaspoon of salt in each one. Now that may seem a lot,
yeah
right? And it is a lot of salt, but
yeah
as Mum just said a minute ago, we're only dipping. It's not like we're going to have a teaspoon of salt each or anything like that. That's going to be shared between,
yeah
and you're not even going to use it all,
Yeah.
right? And
等下食一陣時將放熟油陣咋
okay.
跟他唔
Yeah,
熟放油
yeah,
一陣
okay.
啊 yeah
So we're going to let it kind of sit, and Mum just said then that she's only going to add the final batch of oil, because that's just because obviously the main kind of liquid is made out of oil.
Yeah.
That's going to happen right at the end as we are serving the chicken. So Mum has just put a quantity of oil into this wok,
叫手就唔叫手
and
啊
I'm heating it up gently. She didn't measure, she's just guesstimating, but enough to cover each of these little ramekins of the. So what's a gumbuya?
A gumbuya.
Okay, so we're gonna get the oil sizzling hot. We're using the tried and trusted wooden chopstick technique, of course. So when it's sizzling, so we're going to get up to frying
差唔
temperature.
多啦
So I reckon about 180 degrees centigrade, whatever that is in Fahrenheit.
，OK，超啲，手啲夠
Yeah.
罐頭香啲
And that is going to kind of sizzle and release the
你
flavours
行開啲就
of the ginger. She's telling me to back off because it is going to sizzle. So we're going to, instead of frying the ingredients within the wok, which risks burning, we're putting the hot oil into the cold ingredients, which is the traditional way. And I'm guessing, because I don't know for sure, that this releases the flavours more gently without causing any bitterness in the garlic. I think that's the
You have
main
hold
thing.
it. Hold it,
She's
yeah.
telling me to back off, so I'm going to back
Okay.
off and zooming in. Here we go, here we go. Sizzle, there we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. So it cools down rapidly as it hits the colder ingredients.
好香啊！
Right. Oh my gosh, the smell. The smell. It's so
Yeah.
nice. Oh, it's so nice. The sizzle.
好啦，
Very good. That's it. That's
That's
it.
it.
Now that is really simple. So if you're ever having simply steamed chicken of any description, you can even do this with
哦，
chicken.
篤雞啊，
fingers.
篤雞。
Yeah. And do that. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, because chicken on its own is quite plain, and we can dress it up. But this will give you the pure, clean taste and freshness that only these ingredients can deliver. And yet again, when Mum cuts up a whole chicken, when I do that, there seems to be less chicken than when Mum does it. It's like the fishes and the loaves. There seems to be more chicken than when you started.
也可以放啲嘢得落，
Okay.
可以攞嚟炸。
Right, so you can either pour the sauce on, or you can just dip it, like so. Yeah. So I think we prefer to normally dip it. Was that for me? Ah.
咁啊，good 啊。OK。好啦，放出啲有啲花牛腸多噏咋。OK。
Hold on. Like it.